Hey, hello guys. So, guys, today I'm going to show you some tips and techniques about Microsoft Excel. Many of the people ask me about this in one video, explain some new tips and techniques in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's start. So, guys, number one technique is when you use the Microsoft Excel, so sometime you have to make a demo only, not the actual sheet. And first you have to show the demo and demo sheet, and this type of sheet it will be, and then you work on it. So now suppose I'm going to make a mark sheet, but it's not the actual mark sheet. I will create a demo mark sheet. So what will I do? Now you can see I have the names here, and I want to uh, make different numbers in demo. Okay, so now what will I do? So first I will select all the cells, and I will write is equal to rent between. I will use this formula rent between. When you will type, so it will come automatically. Now you will give the minimum value till the maximum value, any out of 100. So minimum value 33, 33 will be the passing marks, and the highest value I give 99 and press control enter. You can see now it's give me the demo numbers here, and I didn't enter any number. This is automatically generated. Okay, like this if I do the same thing with the total, yani I need the total here. So it's very easy. I remove this, and so now I need the total. So first I will select all the cells again, right click, copy, then right click again, paste special. I will select the value and then OK. Then I will come here. I will write is equal to, but I will hold the Alt button. So the all automatically the formula will generate it, and I will press enter. So you can see now there is the total. Now I will drag this, and the total will come here. So I hope you will like this technique. Now we come on technique number. Okay, sometimes you see you have the big number in your cells, and you manually do like this or like this. If you have another one, you can do like this, but manually. But I will show you within 2 seconds you can fix this problem. Okay, so first you have to select the all cells. You will press Ctrl A, and then you will hold the Alt button and press HOI. So you can see now your problem has been fixed. So now we come on the next trick. So usually you copy and paste from one place to another, but if you have to copy it from different places and paste it, so you go there in the original place and then copy paste. So I am going to show you very easiest way. You can copy at once and you can paste on your sheet. So what you have to do, suppose I select this, copy. Suppose I select this, copy, and suppose I select this, copy. Now I will come in my Excel sheet, and I have to paste here. So usually I press Ctrl V, but now I will press Window key plus V. When I will press this key, so you can see whatever I copied, there are the history. So suppose I have to paste it here. This one again I will press this. Here I have to paste this, and here again I have to copy and paste this one. So this is the easiest way to copy and paste. So I hope you like this video. I will come with new tips and techniques. Till the next video, take care. Bye.